Good morning students. I hope you are fine and watching my videos. So today we'll start chapter number 4, that is multiplication. So in this chapter we will learn how to estimate the product. Okay. So our first topic will be how to estimate the product. What is product? What is product, students? Suppose you multiply two number. Okay, suppose you multiply 23 by 2, so your answer will be 6 and 4. So after multiplying, what you get is called product. Okay, so this is our product. So we will estimate the product. Okay, you already know how to estimate the numbers, so you will just multiply numbers and you will estimate the products. Okay, then we'll also learn how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Okay, suppose we have 3-digit number 214 and suppose 21, so multiplying 3-digit number by 2-digit number, we'll also do this in this chapter. Then multiplying 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Okay, suppose here there is one more digit, so here it is 3-digit number by 3-digit number, so like this we'll also do. Then multiply 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Suppose we have 4-digit number, suppose select any number, suppose 3 2 3 2 1 5. Okay, 3215 multiplied by 2-digit number, suppose 58. So like this we will also multiply 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Then students, we will solve the word problems also in this chapter. Okay, word problems of multiplication. Using word problems, we'll also frame word problems. Okay, and we'll use multiplication facts to halve or double a digit number. Okay, we'll see what are multiplication facts and how to halve or double any given number. Then multiply a 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay, we will multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit number using the box method. We'll see what is the box method. Okay, so let's first see one example. Here you can see that the example is given for which topic? The example is given for multiplication of 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. In this example there are two person, Rizwan. Okay, he is Rizwan and other is Kairi. Okay, she is Kairi and he is Rizwan. So they work in a factory. Okay, they work in a factory. So the manager of factory, okay, she is manager, he is Rizwan and she is Kairi. Okay, so the manager of the factory pays rupees 315 to Rizwan. Okay, he got 315 rupees. Okay, Rizwan got 315 rupees. And for how many hours he works? He works for 8 hours. Okay, he works for 8 hours. And Kairi gets how many rupees? Kairi gets 282 rupees. Okay, and she works for 7 hours. Okay, she works for 7 hours. Now students, now Kairi asks one question. Kairi and Rizwan both ask one question. How much will we earn for 21 days? Okay, they think how much we will earn for 21 days. Okay, so the manager says you will earn approximately 6,200 and Kairi will earn approximately rupees 5600. Okay, so here she has said approximately, and you know that when we say approximately means we are doing round off. Okay, approximately means rounding off. So how she has round off? Okay, so do you know how the manager calculated the approximated wages of Rizwan and Carrie? So let's see that how she has calculated approximate product. So students, manager first rounded off. Okay, rounded off Rizwan's and Carrie's daily wages. She then rounded off the number of days and multiplied it by their rounded off estimated daily wages. So Carrie's daily wage was 282 and Rizwan's daily wage was 315. So what she did is she rounded off this 280 to the nearest tens. Okay, so when you round up 282 to the nearest tens, it will become 280, and will you round off 315 to the nearest tens, it will give you 310. So and the number of days they worked was 21. So and she rounded up this 21 to the nearest tens, that is 20. So after rounding off, what she did, she multiplied these numbers. Okay, so students, estimated product of Kyrie will be 280 multiplied by 20. Okay, how will you multiply any number? To multiply any number, you'll place these numbers below the numbers in which you are multiplying. Okay, so you are multiplying 280 by 20, so you will place 20 just below the 280. Okay, so after that you can see how many zeros are there. In 280 there is 1 0, and 20 there is 2 0, 1 0. So total there are 2 zeros, and then you will multiply this 28 by 2. So 28 by 2 will give us 8 into 2 will be 16. Okay, 16, right here 6 and carry forward 1. Then 2 into 2 will be 4 plus 1 will give us 5. Okay, 4 plus 1 will give us 5. So this is our answer, students, 5600. That's how she calculated. Okay, that's how manager calculated the estimated product. Now to find the estimated product of Rizwan, what she did, she multiplied again this rounded off number, that is 300 by 20. So place 20 just below 310. How many zeros are there? Total 2 zeros. There is 1 0 in 310 and another 0 is in 20. So 2 0 right here, and then multiply this 1 by 2, this 1 by 2, so it will give you 2, and then multiply 3 by 2, it will give you students 6. Okay, so our answer is 6200. Okay, that's how you find estimated products. Now let's go to another example to know the exact amount. Okay, now they asked exact amount. Okay, now Carrie and Rizwan want to know the exact amount. They don't want to know the rounded off. Okay, they want to know exact amounts. So students, to find the exact amount, you will just multiply the numbers. Okay, in one day they earn 282 and 315. In one day they earn 282 and 315. So in 21 they have how much money they will earn. So for 21 days you will just need to multiply. Okay, so students, to find the actual amount, let's write actual amount of Kyrie. Okay, so 200 282 multiplied by 21. So I have just placed 21 below this number. So 1 into 2 will become 2, and 1 into 8 will become 8, and 1 into 2 will become 2. Now students, you see that 2 is in tens place. Okay, 2 is in tens place, so cross marks ones place here. So ones place I will cross mark, then I will multiply this this first number by 2. Okay, so start from ones place. So 2 into 2 will become 4, and 2 into 8 will become 16, and 16 write 6 here, and carry forward will be to 1. So then our answer is 5. So total answer will be 2, 8, 10, 4, 12, carry forward 1, then 6 to 8 plus 1 9, and 5. So this is actual amount. Okay, we have not rounded off here, and let's find out actual amount of Rizwan. So to find out the actual amount, you'll just multiply these numbers. Okay, so how many rupees he earns in one day? In one day he earns 315, and we have to find out of total 21 days, total amount earned in 21 days. So to multiply it by 21, we'll just write 21 below this number, start from ones place. So 1, then 2, then multiplication sign. So 1 into 5 will become, first what we'll do, first we'll multiply this number. Okay, 315 by 1. So 315 into 1 will become 315. Now students, we have to multiply this number by 2. Okay, and 2 is in tens place. So cross mark ones place, because 2 is in tens place. So we will start from tens place. So 2 into 5 will become 10, and 1 carry forward, then 2 into 1 will become 2 plus 1 3, and 2 into 3 will become 6. Now we have to add these numbers. Okay, now we have to add these numbers. Here I have also added. Now so this will give us 5166. This is our answer students, 6615. Okay,